The DJI Mavic 3 is one of those drones that leave you mumbling the cliché. Now that's why you buy a drone, especially because of the 20MP image quality it produces. But for even the best tech gadgets, there's always one or two features that make you grumble a bit. And the Mavic 3 is really no different. In today's video, we'll look into some of the features you'd absolutely love and the ones you probably won't. So sit back and pay close attention. The pros? Number 3. Greater battery life. The first big positive of this device is its battery life. I mean, what more can you ask for than a 5,000 mAh battery capacity? This can easily last a lifetime. If we're being honest, probably even up to 5,000 years, as it quite evidently suggests. Well, maybe not exactly that long, but you're guaranteed a peak fight time of about 46 minutes, which is an improvement over the Mavic 2 Pro's battery life of about 31 minutes. A whole 15-minute upgrade. What more could you ask for? Also, this particular LiPo4S battery takes up to 17.6 volts in charging voltage limit, and it comes with a battery charger with 65 watts power, so it's not surprising that your drone will last that long. But I'll tell you what, the Mavic 3's battery life wasn't the only feature to get an upgrade. The image quality also did, and we'll see how soon. But before that, let's look at the also upgraded obstacle avoidance system. Number 2. Upgraded obstacle avoidance system. Even with its RCN1 remote controller, the Mavic 3 is still susceptible to hitting obstacles while in flight. But that's where its state-of-the-art obstacle avoidance system kicks in. The upgraded APAS 5.0 enables the drone to return to its home point by instantly self-determining the safest, shortest, as well as the most energy-efficient route. Additionally, the APAS 5.0 obstacle avoidance system can now allow users to sense obstacles in normal mode by way of its active track system. So you practically don't have to worry about your drone hitting birds and other obstacles mid-flight anymore. I bet that excites you. Number 1. Image quality. Now, let's get into the biggest positive of the DJI Mavic 3, undoubtedly the image quality. But just before we do that, remember to subscribe to this channel for everything tech, especially the exclusive content on your favorite tech gadgets. There's a lot we have in store, so you don't want to miss a thing. Right now, let's get back to why everyone's raving about the Mavic 3's photo camera. First off, there are two camera types on the drone. There's the Hasselblad camera, which comes with a 24mm lens and a 4/3 inch sensor that renders your photos at an impressive 20MP in JPEG and RAW formats. Also, it is worth noting that the Mavic 3's 4/3 inch sensor is an upgrade on the Mavic 2 Pro's 3/2 inch, meaning that you can now have better detail, greater dynamic range, and other improvements that translate to better image quality and all. And oh, I need to stress what better detail actually means. Think of it as microscopic level detail, where you can actually see beyond the surface, including every little detail your eyes may ordinarily miss. Seriously, it is that good. In addition to the Hasselblad camera, there's also the telecamera, and this one comes with a 1/2 inch sensor and a lens with a format equivalent of 162mm. Also, a single shot in photography mode will give you an effective pixel of 12MP, just like the Hasselblad. But here's the thing, while the Hasselblad and Tele cameras both have lenses that boost the overall image quality, it must be said that the Tele camera doesn't render your images to a high quality as the Hasselblad camera, which makes you wonder why it's there in the first place. Anyway, we'll look more into that in the cons, so keep watching. But I'd like to know what you think about the Hasselblad camera. Worth the hype? Tell me in the comments below. The cons. Number 2. Expensive. The first con is one everyone will agree with, even the super rich. The price of the Mavic 3 makes your head spin. That's the blatant truth. But to be fair, it does come in two price ranges. The DJI Mavic 3 Mini goes for $2,199 and $2,999 if you buy the Fly More bundle. However, the Mavic 3 Sin goes for a whopping $4,999. Well, in fairness, the Sin version comes with Pro, Res 422 HQ video, and an upgraded SSD capacity of 1 TB. but those are the only two upgrades worth mentioning. Anyway, I'm probably being a bit of a moaner. Let's settle this by a poll. Give me a thumbs up if you think the price is over the top, and give me a thumbs down if you think it's perfect pricing. Let's see who wins this. Number 1. Lackluster photo lens. Finally, let's talk about the Telecamera's photo lens. This photo lens stands separate from the main Hasselblad camera, on top of it, to be precise. But unlike the Mavic 3 Sense Hasselblad camera, you can't shoot in ProRes with Telecamera. You also can't shoot in D-Log. And on top of that, your picture quality is stuck at 12MP in JPEG formats, which is disappointing when you compare it to the Hasselblad's ability to take 20MP photos in RAW and JPEG formats. Additionally, anything above 14 times, when you enable digital zoom on the Telecamera's photo lens, will not give you the quality you desire at all. In fact, you might end up irritated. But I guess it's probably there to give you an alternative to the Hasselblad. Poor alternative if you ask me. Overall, the positives of the Mavic 3 drone outweigh the negatives. At least, that's my opinion. And I'm sure you'd agree if you watch our video on Best Drone Ever Top 5 Amazing Features of DJI Mavic 3. On top of that, it is as fun a video as this one, so you should enjoy it too. Thanks for watching. See you next time.